In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use widgets in ClickUp Dashboards. If you want to make your dashboard more useful, more visual, and easier to read at a glance, widgets are the key. They let you display the exact information you need, whether that's task lists, workload, time reporting, calculations, or portfolio views. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add them and organize them so your dashboard works the way you want. To get started, open ClickUp, click on Dashboards, and select the dashboard you want to customize. This is the workspace where your cards or widgets will live. Make sure you choose the dashboard that matches the theme, project, or reporting view you're trying to build, since everything you add will appear here. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the upper right corner and click Add Card. This opens the widget library, where you can browse the available options. Think of this as the control center for building out your dashboard. Next, choose a category. ClickUp organizes cards into groups such as custom, sprints, statuses, assignees, time tracking, or tables. These categories make it easier to find the kind of widget you need. For example, if you're focused on workload or team performance, one category may be more relevant than another. Take a moment to choose the one that best fits the data you want to show. After that, select the specific card you want to use. Some common options include task list, workload by status, calculation, time reporting, or portfolio. Each card is designed to highlight information in a different way, so choose the one that gives you the clearest view of your work. Now select the data source for that card. You'll choose the spaces, folders, or lists whose information you want displayed. This step is important because it determines exactly where the widget pulls its data from. If the source is too broad, the card may feel cluttered. If it's too narrow, you might miss important details. Once the source is selected, configure the card. Set your filters, grouping options, time period, and display preferences. This is where you tailor the widget so it shows the most relevant information in the most useful format. A little setup here can make a big difference in how readable and actionable the dashboard becomes. When everything looks right, click Add Card to place it on the dashboard. Your new widget will appear immediately. Finally, arrange the cards by dragging them into position or resizing them as needed. This helps you create a layout that feels clean, balanced, and easy to scan. And that's how to use widgets in ClickUp Dashboards. Thanks for watching.